Toyota just revealed its most ambitious performance car in decades, the all-new GR-GT, a road-legal supercar developed by Gazoo Racing to become the brand's new flagship. Toyota has created icons before, from the 2000 GT to the legendary Lexus LFA, but the GR-GT feels like the beginning of an entirely new era. It looks like a GT3 car that somehow slipped onto the streets, carrying the kind of purpose and aggression usually reserved for full-blown race machines. Everything about it communicates intent, from its proportions to its stance to the motorsport engineering hiding beneath its surface. From the earliest stage of development, engineers pursued three strict goals: keep the center of gravity extremely low, reduce weight wherever possible, and build a chassis stiff enough to let advanced aerodynamics do real work. Beneath the long hood sits a brand new twin-turbo 4-liter V8 paired with a single electric motor mounted in the transaxle. Together, the system produces at least 640 horsepower and around 627 pound-feet of torque, all sent exclusively to the rear wheels through a newly developed 8-speed automatic transaxle. Toyota describes these numbers as minimum targets for the prototype, suggesting that the final production model could surpass them. To support that performance, Toyota constructed its first all-aluminum structural frame, wrapped in lightweight carbon fiber reinforced plastic and aluminum body panels. This aggressive weight-saving approach benefits every aspect of performance. Improved agility, sharper turn-in, stronger braking, and more effective aerodynamics all stem from this focused engineering. Huge carbon ceramic brakes sit behind 20-inch wheels, wrapped in high-grip Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. The rear end wears massive 325-section rubber, making it clear the GR-GT is designed to put down serious power with confidence. Toyota is targeting a curb weight of 3,858 pounds or less, putting the car firmly within modern supercar territory. Rather than chasing a specific rival or engaging in a horsepower arms race, Toyota shaped the GR-GT with a different mindset. The mission was precision, to create a machine that feels deliberate, balanced, and deeply connected to the driver. Every choice, from weight distribution to suspension geometry, aims to deliver clarity and control. This isn't about building the loudest or flashiest supercar on paper. It's about crafting one that rewards skill and communicates with its driver in a way only motorsport-developed machines can. Toyota wants this car to feel alive, not just fast. Inside, the GR-GT blends racing purpose with Lexus-grade refinement. There are no Toyota badges, emphasizing its pure Gazoo racing identity. Deep carbon-backed Recaro seats, a low driving position, and a clean, functional cockpit create an environment focused on performance. Yet it retains enough comfort for real-world use. The cabin feels intentionally minimal, built around the concept of eliminating distractions and keeping the driver locked into the experience. Visually, the GR-GT is unmistakably aggressive. Standing just 47 inches tall, it has a planted, predatory stance. Functional vents, muscular bodywork, and sharp aerodynamic elements give it the unmistakable silhouette of a street-legal race car. At the rear, quad exhaust tips and dramatic aerostructures leave no doubt about the V8 power beneath. The entire shape seems sculpted by wind tunnels rather than designers' pens. Developed alongside the GR-3 race car, this flagship shares real motorsport DNA. With the GR-GT, Toyota isn't just returned to high performance, it's redefining what a modern Japanese supercar can be.